What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Canole back with another video, and you read the title right. Yes, I will be doing this unboxing thing. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share my videos first upload to YouTube, and that's all I really gotta say. And we just about to get into it. I had to wash my hair, so that's why my hair look like this. Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. I'm so, bro, y'all don't believe, bro. I'm so happy right now, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm recording on my iPhone 6 right now. iPhone 6. iPhone 6. iPhone 6. But, yeah, you know what I'm saying? We all lit, you know. That's why I'm trying to grow my YouTube, so, you know what I'm saying? I can help more people. This is tough. Look at this. I know this is kind of boring, y'all, but look. Ooh. Pop open. Open the lid. Open the lid. Ooh, open the lid. Charge. Oh, dang. It failed. Oh, it failed. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Dang, bro. It failed. Alright, y'all. I'm sorry, but yeah, it failed. Like my phone fell. But look. The earphones and stuff. The charger. And the phone, it is. Let's go. Are you trying to be on? Hey, I ain't gonna stop. Ooh, yeah, I'm with it. Ooh. Y'all know my hair look ratchet, bro, right now. But this is tough. Yo. Hey, see, man, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know, but I'm really happy about this, you know what I'm saying? I'm ecstatic. Yeah, so that's all I really gotta say. I'm just excited right now. Videos will be coming soon. Like, comment, subscribe, and that's all I really gotta say. And yo, you know what I'm saying? We lit right now. The new is a phone. I had I had an iPhone iPhone 6s. No, the iPhone 6 plain version. But yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that's all I really gotta say. I know this video ain't too lit. I'm still kind of sick. My head hurt and all of that. So yeah. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for more videos. And I'm out. Peace.